In this video, you will learn how to combine two websites into one on Wix. First, log in. Log into your Wix account and open the site that you want to keep as your primary site. Open the second site on the one you want to merge content from in a new tab. Then, copy the content. This can be images, text, videos, etc. from the second site that you want to add to your primary site. In the primary site editor, click Add a new sector or page where you want to place the copied content from, for example a new page or strip. Then, paste. Paste the content into the corresponding section on your primary site. Make sure to customize your layout and design to match your primary site style, ensuring everything looks seamless. If you need, redirect URL. If you want to keep links from the second live site, you can create redirect to your new page on your primary site. Check. Check the mobile view and make sure all your content looks good on both desktop and mobile. Once everything is set, click publish to make your change live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.